Stumbling and all
Yeah,
that?
and I sat down because I
Can you take your hat off? You're talking really slowly, and you having a medical emergency right now?
Yeah.
No.
I'm not fighting you.
Thank you. I
Trust me,
appreciate
I'm
that.
not
Then
fighting you.
then relax.
Winning a court case after years of fighting, celebrating at the airport bar, then being handcuffed before the flight, even boards. What law made this arrest not just possible, but legally airtight?
Hello,
just passed out a minute ago. Just
ma'am. Hello. Are you okay? Hey, what's going on?
yeah, yeah, and I sat down.
Can you take your hat?
Hey, what's going on?
So you started walking down, she was
Yeah,
stumbling and all
yeah,
that?
and I
Okay.
sat down because I
Can you
wanted to
take
make
your
sure
hat
she
off
was
for me?
okay, and so she was passed out. She's not causing trouble.
Can I
She
see this?
just had so much to drink.
Okay,
I'm
thank you.
off.
We appreciate it.
What's going on?
I'm waiting
You waiting for somebody?
for my flight.
For your flight? Are you flying with anybody else today?
No.
No?
No. No medication.
Nope.
Have you had any alcohol tonight?
Nope.
No alcohol.
No.
No. No. Do you know what today is?
Today is December 11th.
December 11th. Close.
Excuse me, December 10th. I just had the
Less close.
biggest
You had the biggest what?
win.
Win?
Win. W-I-N.
What'd you win?
The court case that I'm fighting.
You got a court case you're fighting? Yeah. You celebrating? No.
It's not
Okay.
celebrating.
What time's the
It's
flight?
not fucking-
What time's the flight?
6:50.
Right. So I'm completely capable of doing that.
Huh?
I'm completely capable of doing that.
Yeah. Okay. Can we walk over here for a second?
Yeah.
Your stuff?
For what reason?
Huh?
For what reason?
Because I need to make sure that you're okay and
Because I need to make sure that you're okay, and you're talking really
Yeah.
slowly, and you having a medical
Yeah.
emergency right now?
No.
No, you don't need paramedics?
Fuck no.
No? Okay. Well, something...
I can't even believe that this transpired today.
Well, you were
I
passed...
cannot believe that this transpired.
People were worried about you, so
Yeah,
they
you were
called us.
passed out when we found you. So let me ask you again, have you...
I've been fighting this for 4 fucking years.
I'm sorry to hear that. But listen, I'm just trying to make sure you're okay, okay?
Please,
So that's...
spare me.
Okay, just answer my questions for me, okay then? Have you had any alcohol tonight?
have you had any alcohol tonight?
That is not relevant.
It is. I'm just trying to make sure you're okay. Okay. So if you can tell me so I can gauge where you're at, so I can leave you alone and make sure you're okay. So something's obviously wrong. Okay. But I just need to make sure. Is it because of alcohol?
Do you understand what has transpired in my life today?
What? You can explain.
What has transpired in the past 4 years of my life? And what happened today?
Okay. What happened today?
I won.
You won? Okay.
Do you want me to tell you? Do you want me to show you? I was recording this. I'm sorry.
I don't think you realized you were recording. Can you?
Damn right I'm recording this. Because who the fuck are you?
I'm Officer
Cops?
Hill. Yeah, and we're the
I'm
cops.
sorry.
It's okay.
I'm not trying.
Can you stand up for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hey,
dude.
can we walk right over here?
For what reason?
I just want to make sure you can walk fine.
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
Hey,
dude.
can we walk right over here?
For what reason?
I just want to make sure you can walk fine.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Okay, so what's gonna happen is we're gonna place you under arrest for public station, but you gotta stop. You gotta
Don't
tense up.
resist.
Don't tense up.
Come on,
Don't sit
stand
down.
up. We're not gonna do that. We're not
Don't
doing
do
that at all.
okay? Everything's gonna be okay. It's a ticket. That's all it is. It's a
Don't do that,
That's
okay? Everything's gonna be okay. It's a ticket. That's all it is. It's a Class C misdemeanor.
It's not though.
It is.
It's not.
That's all it is. That's all it is.
It's
you gotta,
not.
If you make it into something worse, then it's not. You're right. We don't want to do that, okay? It's gonna
not.
be okay. It's gonna be okay. But
It's not.
if you fight us, it's gonna be a lot worse, okay?
I'm not fighting you.
Thank you. I
Trust
appreciate
me,
that.
I'm not
then
fighting you.
then relax,
Trust me,
okay?
I'm not fighting you. But look over
Alright,
there.
So we got one customer PI. I'm sorry. And we'll get your stuff. We're gonna get it, okay? Everything's gonna be okay, okay?
No, this is so much more sinister than
That's all I got.
Yeah, good luck.
Okay.
That's not gonna work. Hold on.
You're right
Hey,
ahead.
relax. Relax.
Stop.
You're a fucking
almost
idiot.
too
You're a
full.
fucking idiot.
Okay, we're gonna walk this way.
No, where is my...
It's good. Look, it's coming. It's coming right there. It's all coming.
We got your phone. We got your bag, Andrew.
This is not... This is so much more...
Class C misdemeanor.
And
So what
trail
happens?
do I go to?
DFW Airport Jail.
Okay.
So what happens is you're gonna sleep it off, all right? When you blow
No.
double zeros.
No, you don't understand what I
Okay.
deal with in my life. But yes, please tell me what exact location
I got the keys. Where else keys at?
On the wall, the inside.
Thank you. Ready?
So
Which
I'm
one of
gonna
you
search
wanna-
real quick.
Which one of
You got
you? Go
anything?
ahead.
Okay. You got anything on
I
you?
mean,
Focus it
didn't
to hurt
you
me?
do it? Didn't you do it?
No, I didn't.
Oh my God! Do not take the keys to my phone.
Ma'am,
Nothing's being taken from you.
We trace
We have to search everything before we. What do you say? Oh, is that?
that?
You want to watch it?
You damn right.
Well, go ahead.
Then go.
No, still.
Go right ahead. You can search all of my shit.
Okay.
Fucking asshole. Where are the keys to my fucking house?
Yeah. Look,
Right.
look, they're going
Why are
in
you-
your.
Why are you putting them back in the place that they were not?
Because you can't take them. Because you can't take them with you in jail.
All right, come on.
Come on.
No, I want them put back in my pocket. No, I want them put back in my pocket.
They're not going in
That's
pockets.
not going to happen.
Get in.
I will,
Thank you.
guys.
Sit down. Stop trying to slip
No,
this
I
in front of
will. I will. I will have them in front of you.
you. Sounds good.
Google.
Every Apple product on the man.
Subway 3708, I'm about to pull in. Where are you needing?
She said she was alone, right? No wallet?
I feel like she probably left her stuff somewhere.
Oh, right here. It's inside.
Oh.
What are you doing? Okay. Rachel, what are you doing?
Oh wait,
Put your feet down.
I'm right here.
Put your feet down.
Got it.
Okay. All right. We're gonna get out.
Get out.
What do you got going on here?
Nothing.
Sit up.
Asshole.
Come on.
Why are you hurting my hair?
What are you doing? Sit up.
Whoa,
Sit up.
whoa,
Sit up.
whoa.
Get up. All right, come on.
Yes, I will.
No, we're not putting them in the front. You're getting out. Get out.
Okay, well, you need to move my hand, please.
Come on.
Thank you. Thank you.
I can't get it all, but you come on.
No, that's close.
All right, come on.
I can do it.
Come on. All right, let's go.
Do I go in the front?
They say in the back, but you gotta get out.
Says who?
Step out.
Okay. I have.
No. Come on.
I can't do
Come
them
on.
in the back.
Stand up.
It's gonna hurt, dude. It's gonna hurt.
No, we're not. Put them in the back.
It's gonna hurt.
Come on. Let's go. What are we doing?
I can't do
Oh.
it, dude. I can't.
No, get up.
No. Then
Get
take
up.
that shit off because it's
Rachel.
no.
Rachel, stop.
No.
Stop.
No.
I don't want to hurt you.
I don't want to hurt
Okay,
myself
just come on.
either.
We're not putting them in
But
the
what
front.
I'm saying to you is it's going to hurt me.
We're not putting them in the front. You're going to take them off once we get
Extensively.
inside.
Then take them off.
We will take them off in a minute.
Take them off.
Let's go.
Then take them off. Please. Please take them off. See? See? It's not that hard.
All right, stand up.
I will not. 100%. Yes.
Okay, so well, we're gonna search you here, okay?
Yeah, dude. Fuck you, disgusting. How am I being held here?
You've been arrested for public intoxication.
Okay. So what am I being charged with something?
Public intoxication.
Okay. When do I see a magistrate?
In the morning.
And you're saying that I will see them or I won't see them?
That depends on you. You can pay your fine and leave when you
I will pay it right now.
when you sober up.
I will pay it right now. So am I being held against my will?
No,
I
ma'am.
will. If you want me to give you my belt,
Everybody that gets arrested is
you
being
have
held against their will.
you do not have the federal right to hold me against my will. Sir, go for it. Go for
Take it
it.
off of me.
You can do it.
No, go ahead, take it
You
off.
can do it.
I don't know how to take it off.
I don't
know if
either. I am being held against my will
Can you take off your bracelets?
without any, what is the reason?
Let's get your bracelets and your rings.
Go. Go right ahead, sir.
Let me see.
I am being held against my will, correct?
To pay the fine or until you see a
What
judge.
is the timeline?
That depends on you. I have no idea.
Is that 2 hours or is that 10 hours?
I can tell you right now, it's gonna be more than 10 hours because of your level of intoxication.
What size shoe you wear, man?
Can you provide me water?
Let me get your shoes and your socks if you have any
No,
socks.
I'm not giving you my fucking shoes. You've lost your fucking mind. If you think I'm going to give you my shoes.
You will get them back when you leave,
No,
and you can put this on.
absolutely not.
Well, we have to take them off.
No, you don't.
It's
You
policy.
actually don't. You actually don't.
Yeah, we do.
No, you don't.
Okay, come on, take them off.
No,
We have to.
no.
We have to.
You actually don't. And constitutionally, you do not.
Nothing in the Constitution states anything about your shoes.
It is a part of my being.
You will put this on temporary, okay?
Fuck you.
Okay, well, we need to take them off.
No. That is a part of what you're trying to make my being, and this is a part of my actual being.
Okay, we got it. Let's take
All
them
right,
off.
you need that.
Wait, what? No, 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 no! Is this being, why didn't you make this recorded?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
You're recording right now? You're recording right now, and you're part of this.
Are you guys take off?
Hill. She has property. What's up? I'm sorry. She had a lot of electronics in here. She had a lot of electronics in here and cigarettes and a lighter or two at the bottom.
Alrighty.
Texas Penal Code 49-2. 3 words carry the entire legal weight of this arrest. May endanger herself, not did endanger, not threatened another, may endanger herself. That distinction will determine the outcome of any challenge she files. Terry v. Ohio 392 US 1 1968. Officers need specific and articulable facts, not proof of a crime, to initiate lawful investigatory contact. A bystander report of unconsciousness in a public terminal clears that threshold without question. Texas Penal Code 49.1 defines intoxicated as not having normal use of mental or physical faculties. No breathalyzer, no blood draw, no lab result. Courts measure intoxication through direct officer observation alone. Totality of circumstances doctrine, 5 independent indicators compound into one legal conclusion. Loss of consciousness, stumbling gait, slurred speech, date disorientation spanning 2 to 3 days, and denial directly contradicted by observation. 5 indicators, 1 probable cause determination, legally sufficient as a matter of law. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 14.1, personal observation of an offense confers complete arrest authority, no warrant, no judicial pre-approval, no arrest report filed in advance. Observation alone is the legal instrument. This is the statute she never cited. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989. Reasonableness of force and restraint is evaluated from the officer's perspective at the precise moment of the decision, not reconstructed afterward. What they knew then governs. What we analyze now does not. The Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures. Not all seizures. A lawful arrest is a constitutionally permitted deprivation of liberty. Probable cause converts detention from violation into authority. Her argument that this was being held against her will has no standing once probable cause exists. Florence v. Board of Chosen Freeholders, 566 U.S. 318 2012. Uniforms intake procedures apply to all detainees regardless of charge severity. Removal of shoes, jewelry, and personal items is administrative safety policy, not a Fourth Amendment search requiring independent justification. Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, Article 15.se17. The right to appear before a magistrate without unnecessary delay is non-discretionary. It is a constitutional guarantee, not a privilege granted by the arresting officer. This was the only right she correctly identified and invoked in the entire encounter. Legal lesson. A false denial that officers can directly contradict through observation does not prevent an arrest. It accelerates one. The Fifth Amendment protects the right to remain silent. It cannot protect contradiction. Silence is always the stronger legal position. She cited the Constitution by name. She asked about the magistrate. She knew she had rights, but which rights did she actually have, and which ones did she fundamentally misidentify? If she challenges this arrest in court, what argument gives her any realistic chance of success?